Today we're going to bring some STEAM kits. These are perfect if you have children, if you want to get them to be more educated on science and building blocks. These are perfect. So instead of getting the old traditional block sets, this is actually engineer sets that they give you guys. They give you different kits in here. If you guys can see it, they're all including the tools. Now we are gonna build one. We're gonna build an assembly kit here, and this is I'm gonna build it, and I'm gonna let you guys see what I'm gonna use it for. The only reason I got it was because we are gonna build something very awesome and unique, and I need this fabrication. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. But if you guys like this stuff, maybe you guys could build your own. So let's take a look at it. Instructions are not very good, to be honest with you, but you kind of figure it out after you go along with it. Now, this one, in order to get the halfway point, you do need this brace to actually put together here. All right, overall, it's not working properly right now. It's a little stuck, if you guys can see that. So I have to loosen up the tension a little bit. All right, I'm getting somewhere. Look at that. Working slowly, but it's working.
All right. Let me show you what I end up doing with the actual Steam Deck kit. I actually made a miniature course for our Thanksgiving parties that we always have every year. I was able to use the actual assembly line to make some like little turtles moving around, and also I was able to make some windmills, some other toys, some other stuff that was moving with all the parts I was able to do. That's why I ended up getting this Steam kit. But this is a great kit for anybody that wants to get into it. And not only that, all the children who are playing with this stuff, they were like, I want to do the same thing. I want to create this. So you not only educating, but they also entertaining too. So very simple to put together. And if you can see, this is a hard one. I put turtles running around an assembly line, but at the end it was one of the hit wonders. And I hope you guys make memories and enjoy this video.